dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. Today we are here to do a do-it-yourself Keyshia Kayor look-alike wig. I saw over the weekend that Keyshia Kayor had this beautiful turquoise lace wig, so I decided to try to recreate that. So I'm going to show you guys what her wig looked like so you can see what I'm going for.
Tell me, I'll be here till the end if you let me. These other girls don't give a...
So I am using a blonde mommy wig, and I'm just pinning that wig down to my mannequin head, and I will be dyeing this wig. Now this is not a lace wig like hers. I will be using a Arctic Fox Aquamarine hair dye with some Tresseme conditioner, and I'm just putting a little bit in there and mixing that up. And I'm going to add some more conditioner because I need a lot of dye. This is a lot of coverage for this blonde, so I'm just adding the conditioner to give myself more dye.
Give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do.
So I'm pretty much just going to plop this on his head and just work this in with my fingers primarily, just to go ahead and cover the wig as fast as possible. And then I'll have to go in and actually work it through, because you have to be very detailed. You don't want half of this wig blonde, half of this wig blue. So you have to be very detailed, but for the most part you can just work all of that dye in with your hands.
They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They don't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you.
So here I started kind of parting through the hair to get some of that blonde, and then I went in with my brush too to apply that dye to the actual tracks and just to the blonde that's in between the tracks, because you can't just plop the dye on and then get all of the hair. You really have to work this dye in.
And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting up, finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over.
And yes, girl, this did take some time. This is not going to be a wham bam thank you ma'am type of quick job. This is going to take some time. So once I got done, I covered that wig with a cap and I let it process. You don't have to let it process long, but unfortunately I did, because I just didn't have the time to wash it out. Okay, y'all don't freak out, because it is not gonna look like this. This is just to see what we working with, what we got with our color. Our color took really well, and this wig is like really curly. Like, it really is curly. Got a little of my hair sticking out in the back, y'all. Can't have it. Okay. This is such a pretty curl. Like, I'm surprised that it waved up like this, because I was a little worried. All my naps out, y'all. So I'm going to have to play with this, and I'll be back to show you guys my end result.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on.
Okay, you guys, so I am back from styling my wig. So if you guys haven't seen Keyshia Kayor's, I'll put hers like right beside mine or show her somewhere in this, but hers is a lace wig. Big difference, ladies, big difference. Okay, she doesn't have to worry about trying to camouflage the front of her wig. She doesn't have to worry about no parting. She doesn't have to worry about all of the stuff I had to worry about. I had to construct the waves, but I also had to cover the front of the wig, so I couldn't just do a wave just how I wanted to. I know this wig got some potential. It's got some oomph in there. I just gotta find. I do have this wig in blonde, so I will be popping that one to see how that one looks, and probably not coloring it, just leaving that one blonde. But I do like the idea of this wig. Before I forget, the hair color that I used on this hair was Arctic Fox Aquamarine, and I just mixed it with conditioner and let it sit on the wig for a few days actually. I didn't really mean to, it just kind of happened like that. I just didn't have time and it just kind of passed me, and next thing you know, 3 days had passed. But of course you don't have to leave it on there that long. I just kind of happened to accidentally. Now you guys, this was a test. I don't know if it's because this is not a lace wig. It has very short hairs, different length hairs. You have to worry about covering the wig in the front. You have to worry about the tracks in the wig. I mean, if this wig was a test, I definitely thought this was a better idea in my head than playing out this plan. So I'm not really sure if I would say if this succeeded. I think the color is beautiful. I think it could have a lot of potential, but I think you would need a lace wig. Like, you would need one, because it's not working with this wig that you have to try to hide things with. Very beautiful wig. If you guys have seen my wig tutorial on this wig with the natural black look, absolutely beautiful. It passes as your real hair. So but when it comes to the blonde, I don't know, it's not the same. Especially not turquoise. But it's just hard to get the waves to cooperate and lay down and stay down. So yeah, but you know, recorded it, why not put it up so y'all get to see me fail for once. Everything doesn't always turn out the way that you hope, but it's okay. You just go back to the drawing board and try again. So that's what this channel is all about, is growing, getting better, trying new things, failing, getting up, trying again, executing the next time. So I hope you guys enjoy the transparency on my channel, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one.